you to my part 1 video finally. So, I don't know how many of you have been following me for pretty much since I started, because my first few videos were kind of about prepping stuff, and then I kind of got into the heavy stuff, which started getting me in trouble. But I did say in a couple of my videos, you can kind of learn to read between the lines and predict what is going to happen next. Not all the time, but most of the time. And in this situation, I am pretty confident that I am going to hit the nail on the head once again. So that is why I'm making this video. You guys are probably going to have to do a little bit of research on this and look some of the things I show you up, because I can only say so much. We know this. However, I am trying to look and see what other platforms I can get on to talk a little bit more about some things freely. So, but anyways, let me make a point. Right before the first bug, and I hate insects, guys, but right before the first bug, there was this. Well, aside from that one, there was also a second one, which was this. Those, surprisingly, all 3 segments for both can be found still on this platform if you would like to go watch them yourself. But yes, I'm noticing in some headlines that there are some keywords being used. Let me show you. Everything, guys. I've also been paying very close attention to something else. And if you have been paying attention, I spoke about this person that got me in trouble, so I'm not going to say their name. But this specific person, with a smile on their face, spoke about a duel, meaning 2 at once, a bug of sorts. You know, I hate insects. I'm going to say it again. But a dual bug. So, and that other thing that I'm talking about is this. So yeah, we're going to have a lot going on here real soon, guys. And if you watched my part 1 to this video, what I was showing you there is when they start giving away certain things. That's when we're really going to have to be careful, and that's when we're really going to have to worry. No, seriously. I circled the reasons why. So, at the very end of this video, I want you to do a little bit of reading tonight. And that is where this approach of sorts is going to come into play. Mark my words. It's perfect. Absolutely perfect. The perfect storm, quite literally. I will have another video out soon. You guys take care, and I will see you soon.